Hi, this is askauntieamy. Today we are going to talk about Chase the Well Star. It is actually one of the few lessons that I'll be creating video for the Feng Shui Planner. Welcome to Ask Auntie Amy, where we are changing the world one person at a time. Like and subscribe and get notified for our new videos. Hi, I'm Auntie Amy. I'm a Feng Shui coach. I use Feng Shui to help my clients to get what they want. So today we are going to talk about Chase the Wealth Star. It's actually one of the Feng Shui method to increase your wealth opportunity. This lesson is actually pretty new because I never really included the monthly flying star chart in the book before. So it is your lucky day. Well, actually lucky year, because I have included that in this particular planner, and it most likely is going to be included in all the future planners as well. So let's get started. So before we start, make sure you have a copy of the Feng Shui planner. Otherwise, it'd be kind of hard to teach you without the book, right? So in flying star chart, there are annual star chart, the monthly star chart, daily star chart, and the hourly star chart. So this one is the annual star chart. For the purpose of what we're doing today, for this lesson, we'll be using the monthly star chart. So this is the February 2025 flying star chart. So you can see in the box, it's like a tic-tac-toe. It's got 9 number. And then you see in the corner here, the tiny little, on the right-hand side is the year start. The bigger one is the month start, okay? And each month does not start like right at beginning, the first day of the month. It go by the solar calendar. So in the planner itself, I've actually put the flying star right at the beginning of each solar month. And so this is just to blow it up so you can see better. We have the bigger one is the month, and the tiny one in the upper right is the year. So this one for February, we have a star 9 in the month, also in the year. It's just happened to coincide like that. They don't always line up 991166 like that. They varies basically. So what does those mean? So star 1 means nobleman, nobility, or helpful people. Star 2 is illness star. This is the one that we have in the prior years is always regarded as illness, but because we're in period 9 now, star 2 become more auspicious. In the sense, the pure sense itself, it is actually talk about property. For example, a real estate agent would love to use star 2. So then star 3 is what we call argument. And star 4 is academic. Star 5 is calamity. Now, this is a star that we normally use as metal cure for place it on specific dates, and we use it and leave it there for the whole year. Then star 6 is for healing. Star 7 is communication. Star 8 is for wealth. Star 9 is for happiness. And now, because the period 9 right now, we are in star 8 and 9, both are regarded as wealth star. Okay. Now, when I say wealth star, these are wealth opportunity. When you activate these stars, you will bring you more wealth opportunities, but also means that you're going to be working, right? Wealth opportunities, not like lotto ticket. It just doesn't happen that way. It is more like for you to able to have more wealth generating opportunities. And then we also, because right now, period 9, period 1 is also a stronger star now. So star 1, it's nobleman. It's when you use a star is when you want people to help you, right? You want to find help in situations or helpful people, basically. Now, remember, helpful people, sometimes it's not exactly what you think, okay? It could be someone very tough. It could be a mentor, but it also could be someone, say, that you kind of got angry at. But because you're angry at that person, it makes you motivated to be better. So, star one, not necessary. It's a nice nobleman, okay? Just to keep that in mind. Then now, once you figure out what you want to do, if you're going after the wealth, then you would use the sector 9 for wealth opportunity, or you can use 1 as well. You know, if you look for a mentor that can help you, like a wealth coach or a business coach that can help you to increase your wealth opportunities, right? So it all depends on what you need it for. Then you use the correct sector. So 9 is wealth, 8 is also wealth, but 9 is more powerful now than 8. And 1 is for noblemen. So, for example, if you say, God, I really need a mentor for, say, February, you're looking for a mentor in February. So you would go to the southeast sector, sit there, and make sure you use your lucky direction. That will be in a different video on how to find that. I will probably link that or post that in the description. Okay. So, for example, in February, you're looking for a mentor, then you would go to the southeast sector, which is the star one, residing there for that month, and you will sit in that sector, but facing your romance direction. And when I say romance direction, I don't mean like romance, like a romantic thing, but romance, which is just a term we call, basically it's called connection. It's about relationship. It's about how you connect to other people. So what you want to do is, for the next 3 months, you follow where the star one is, where the star one goes. So you start in February, it will be in the southeast sector, and then you go to March. You look for where the star one will be in March, and then you will go to that direction in March. In March, it will be in the center of the house. So you go to the center of your house, and in April, it will be in the northwest sector of the house. So you follow the star one. If mentor, teacher, helpful people is what you're looking for, you follow that star for 3 months straight. And what I want you to do is, you either send out emails, sit there, work in that sector. You work, you make phone call, you're mentor related, right? For 3 months, at least 1 hour a day, work in that sector. So when you are sitting in that sector, you will absorb the energy of that star. It will help you to improve your chances of meeting the right mentor, a mentor that can help you, or helpful people. Maybe it could, you just never know in what shape and form the mentor could become in, or your helpful people, your nobleman can come in, okay? But remember, you have to be there 3 months. Cannot be less. You have to be there consecutive for 3 months. Say, for example, if you want to increase your wealth, okay, your wealth. If you want to increase your wealth, so start in February, you will go to the east sector, and then in March, you're going to follow where the star 9 is. You're going to follow the star 9. You're going to know that the month actually changes on March 7th. So starting March 7th, you are going to go to the southeast sector of the house and sit there and work to increase your wealth opportunities. And then in April, on April 5th, then you need to move yourself to the center of the house. And I will post all that. That's how you're going to do. You're going to follow the stars. So the feng shui planner, all the monthly flying star charts are available in the feng shui planner. It comes in both paperback, which is available on Amazon, or PDF download that you can get it instantly. And both links are also in the bio.askauntieamy.com. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe and get notified.
Thank you, and I'll see you at the next lesson.